Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up btrfs. I mean, like, how to set up Snapper for btrfs. As if you install Fedora, you most likely probably install it with the default settings, and therefore you're using btrfs. And it's fine. You can just use it just the way it is. It's a good file system on its own. But what's really nice about btrfs is that you can also do snapshots with it. And there's a program called Snapper. And to install Snapper, you do sudo dnf install Snapper. There's also other tools that you want to install. There's dnf plugin. So dash plugin dash snapper. What this does is that when you install something, update something with DMF, it will basically auto snapshot your system, your hard drive, your btrfs system, and it will do a snapshot before and a snapshot after. So it's good. Like if you install a program or you have an update that's kind of your computer's not working well with that latest update, or software that you install is conflicting or doing some problems with your PC, and you want to roll back before you went to that state, like before you went to install these updates or program. So you can just restore back your previous snapshot and go back to your system before installing that software. So auto snap is pretty good. So I would get that for Snapper. Also, you'll want btrfs assistant. And this program here, what this program does is basically you can tune up your btrfs. You can set it all up with it's a nice GUI system. So you can check, like it'll show all your Snapper stuff. So so basically I already have them all already installed, because it says here everything is already installed. So you want to install all these, and to set up Snapper, you just do sudo snapper create -config / and this will create like a profile for your Snapper for it to create snapshots with your btrfs system. So after when you've done that, you can do sudo dnf snapper list, and what this will do is basically it will show you basically all the stuff that you done with Snapper since you had the system. Like it'll show you like updates. It'll just show you like mainly me is updates, and if you install stuff as well. And also you can do this. You can do like that's the way you can do in the command line, as if you're not in a GUI as well. So sudo snapper list would be very convenient for people that are just using command line. But if you are in a GUI, you can use btrfs assistant, which is a really nice tool. I know it's white. I can probably change all this, because I'm guessing this is using Qt framework. I'm not sure why it just stays white. I think it's because of my default settings for KDE is just a white theme. I probably could change that. Anyways, I'll do that later. So what's nice is that you can scrub balance if you want to. You can do maintenance. You can actually take all this if you want. Like it'll do things automatically. You can also set up things here with your systemd if you want to. I leave it default, but it gives you choices. I just leave everything default. And here, like, it's basically what Snapper list does, but it shows it here in the thing. You could also just like restore, like, this is what it done before it done this. like post basic after, previous before. So you can just hit restore and no, but you can hit restore and it will put you back to that state of your system. You can do it way back, like a few days ago. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's a pretty cool tool. Anyways, hope this helps people setting up btrfs and snapper on your Fedora system. Have a good one, guys. Cheers.